Hello everyone! So kakatapos ko lang ng aking klase ngayon. Today is May 30. It's already 12 midnight. Actually, it's already May 31 na po kasi it's 12:11 na ng madaling araw. Yes! Kasi yung klase ko is up to 12 midnight. I just want to remind all the newly hired teachers of 5-1 Talk, napakabantayan ninyo po yung inyong mga open slots. Kasi ngayon napansin ko na nagkaka-bookings agad yung mga newly hired teachers. So dapat na bantayan you have to sit down in front of your laptop during your open slots para iwas kayo ng absent. Yun yung usually nangyayari sa mga bagong hire na mga teachers ng 5-1 Talk kasi maraming students po ngayon ang 5-1 Talk. So dapat na bantayan yung mabuti yung mga open slots ninyo. And for those who are planning to apply in 5-1 Talk, kami akong napapasok na mga 5-1 Talk naging newly launched teachers of 5-1 Talk this month of May. Imagine, 16 lahat sila na nakapasok in my referral. So if you want to be one of them, then click my referral link below. Or pwede rin naman na i-message nyo ako before kayo mag-click ng referral ko para mas mag-guide ko po kayo paano yung process ng pag-apply kay 5-1 Talk. Okay? Hindi masyadong kalakihan ang sweldo dito sa 5-1 Talk pero very legit and very highly recommended. We are of course open to mga wala pang experience into teaching, basta magaling mag-English and then mabuti sa pronunciation and very willing to teach as an ESL teacher. Okay, so again, just message me here in TikTok or in my messenger account. Kung gusto niyong mag-apply, just don't hesitate to message me so I can answer your queries. That's all for today. Thank you and bye-bye!